Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install the KuCoin Exchange app on your Mac in just a few steps. Begin by opening Safari. You can click the icon in your dock or press Command plus space, type Safari, and hit Enter. Once Safari opens, visit KuCoin.com, the official KuCoin website. Always confirm you're on the verified link to keep your account safe. Now, click File in the menu bar and choose Add to Dock. You'll see a small pop-up window. Rename it if you want, then click Add. You'll now see the KuCoin icon in your dock. When you click it, KuCoin launches in a standalone app-style window that works independently of Safari. Even if you close Safari, KuCoin stays open and runs smoothly like a native Mac app. And that's it. You've successfully installed KuCoin on your Mac as a standalone web app. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto and Mac installation guides.